YouTubes, it's me again, Colin from ISM with our very first tutorial on the channel because, I don't know, I didn't want to upload Nethercraft today, and I've started to get back into Clone Hero, so I thought I would be able to help you all out on something that is pretty difficult to figure out on your own, and I've looked at some tutorials and they aren't very good. So today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Wii guitar to your laptop to play Clone Hero. So what you're going to need, of course, is you're going to need your Guitar Hero guitar with the Wii remote in it, of course, connected right there as you would with a nunchuck. And you're going to, of course, you're going to want to have like Clone Hero, or I think there's Guitar Hero 3 or Moonscraper if you just want to edit songs. And you're also going to want to download WiiTarThing. It's a free download, and this is what's going to help you able to connect, because it usually connects with Xbox 360, but this will convert that because, you know, Clone Hero recognizes Xbox 360, but WiiTarThing will change that for you and will allow you to play on Wii. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Control Panel. I have mine on my hotbar, but I believe you can search it up anywhere. It's just Control Panel. I think even if you don't have Windows like I do, you'll be able to find it. And so right here, you'll see hardware and sound. You can add a device right here, or you can view devices and then add a device. Don't click on that. So what you want to do is you want to get your guitar ready. And you want to go to add a device, and that red button on the back, you're going to want to press that down. And it says input device. Now that's good, but you don't want to click on that yet. So X out of that, and then give it time to think, and then add a device again. And then after you click the red button again, it should say Nintendo. You do not need a passcode to continue that. I don't know why it asks you that. And then have patience. It just needs a minute. I promise you it will not take several minutes. And so now, when you go to your devices or printers, it should be there. But we're not done yet. So now, go back into WiiTarThing, and you should see Wiimote right there. If it didn't show up there, then you probably either didn't connect it correctly, or you need to reset your computer and try again. That's what I found what happened. So now that you have this, you want to go to Connect, Player 1, and then it says to press 1 and 2. I usually press it a few times to secure it. And then press OK, and it should be connected. Now, it's all connected, so let's test it out. So now when I go to any song, which I've already downloaded like a ton, you know, let's just go to which one I see, CrossFit. You can see my buttons are working.
Looking back at me, I see that I never really got it right.
And as you can see, it works. So if you aren't able to do it, try it again. You may have to unplug the Wii remote and plug it back into the guitar. It will not disconnect you though, as long as it's connected. So that's all I have. Anyways, thanks you guys for watching. I hope I was able to help out. For you to play Clone Hero, a great game. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.